Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to be writing our recount on our little walk that we took yesterday to Headington High Street. And our learning for today is, can I write a recount using adverbial phrases? Now, if you've forgotten what adverbial phrases are, it's words that tell us where something has happened and when something has happened. And in blue here, I've got some to help us. And in black here, I have the places we visited yesterday. So we saw Headington Roundabout, the park, co-op, some shops, and the shark house at the very, very end. So some of the words I've chosen that you can use in your writing today when you are describing your recount, I've got after a distance, opposite the, round the corner, and at the end of. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to write your sentences. Once you finish watching this video, I want you to open the PowerPoint slides because there's pictures on there to help you with your learning. And then you open Google Docs to type in your recount. All right? Okay, so are we ready? Right, so we're going to start with Headington Roundabout. I need to go on the next page, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to start with hopefully you can see, we left school, didn't we? We walked out of school and we left school and we took the underpass, because we didn't actually walk. If you were actually walking to Headington, you would use the underpass. We took the underpass on Headington. Now, because Headington's the name of a place, I'm using a capital letter on Headington Roundabout. Roundabout is one word. Out. Full stop. Now in this sentence, I don't have any adverbial phrases. It's fine because it's introducing that it's telling me that we left school and we went under the underpass. So that's fine. Okay. Now my next sentence, okay, and I'm going to use an adverbial phrase here. My next sentence will say after a distance. Okay. So hopefully you can see the writing. I'm going to do it here. Okay. After, capital letter, after a distance. So we were walking after a distance, comma. You always need to have a comma after your adverbial phrase. All right, there's a comma there. After a distance, we saw a park. The park was on our right, wasn't it? Yeah, on our right. Now, this is great, guys, but I really should describe, give me one word to describe the park. So was it a small park or a large park? A large park. So here I'm going to put large, just to show that I'm editing my work as I go along. Okay. After a distance, we saw a large park on our right. Okay. And then what was opposite the park? So let's go back here. Have I used, let's see here. Have I used after a distance? Now I can use opposite. All right. So we can say opposite the park. What was opposite the park, guys? Co-op. Exactly. So you can say opposite. Ooh, go back to my blue pen. Capital letter, opposite the park, comma, was a large co-op filled, I'm sure there were lots of people in there, filled with people. So I'm describing, I'm also adding a bit more meat to it. I'm not just saying opposite the park was a large co-op. I'm saying it had a few more, I'm giving the sentences more meat, more interesting words, more interesting ideas. Okay, so let me just check that sentence again. Opposite the park was a large co-op filled with people. I'm just going to check, guys, if you can see all of this. Okay, I can go one more line. Right. Okay, now let's do one more sentence. Let's see, what's my next adverbial phrase I could use? Round the corner. Talk about the shops. Round the corner. You can say round the corner, we spotted, round the corner from Co-op, we spotted many shops. Exactly. So, you know what, guys? I'm just thinking, I could write it here. Round the corner from Co-op, comma, that's my second adverbial phrase there. Round the corner from Co-op, we spotted, hopefully you can see, many shops. Okay, so let's read what I've written so far before I carry on with the next sentence. We left school and we took the underpass on Headington Roundabout. After a distance, we saw a large park on our right. Opposite the park was a large co-op filled with people. Round the corner from Co-op, we spotted many shops. So I'm just very quickly, I'll just use my black pen, and I'm going to underline my adverbial phrase. So, after a distance, this is my first adverbial phrase. Opposite the park, because it's telling me where it is. Round the corner from Co-op. That's my next. So at the moment, I've already used 3 adverbial phrases. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this as an example and you're going to write your own. You're going to be using, I will have all of this on the PowerPoint slides for you to see. Use the places we went to, and these are some of the adverbial phrases. If you want to add your own, you can. Okay? But most importantly, please remember, when you are using an adverbial phrase, at the end of the phrase, you must have a comma. So I'm going to circle my comma. You must have a comma. See, I've got a comma there. I've got a comma there. All right? I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you all very soon. And remember to answer on Google Docs. Okay? Bye.